Hello friends, in this video I will guide you to edit a clear photo. This is a photo I took on Nami Island at noon. So you see here in this photo, I use a light to brighten the subject. You will find that the sky is usually not clear. Because is color it up not enough. Then I see that in this photo I have the following parts that need to be processed. Firstly, the bottom part of this dress is a bit burnt. And the second is to process the color of the sky, and finally to process the skin color of the subject. Then to handle it, I will first make the skin brighter by choosing skin, white skin 3. And I sweep into the subject's skin. I do a block scan, here is I not scanning this entire skin. This way I will make the face of the subject more solid and brighter than the rest. Before, after. Continuing with the second part, I will process the color of the sky. In this photo, I see that the sky is quite clear and has white clouds. With FineArt Secret you can add clouds to this photo. For example, Sam chooses cloud brush. Then I have a lot of rattan patterns I can add. Make your photos more vivid. Then I can choose any model. Here, I click myself to add. I can change this cloud to another color. So now I have more clouds for the photo, before, after. Then this is an optional extra, you may not be able to add it. Then after I have added the cloud brush, I will click on Reset Brush. I will merge all the layers together. Now I will increase the blue color of the clouds and the water to make it bluer. Give the photo more depth. Then I will choose color cast and I will add blue. Before, after. Well, if once isn't enough, I'll add another one, plus blue. There you see the clouds, it has become very dark. Then this second part Sam will reduce the opacity a little bit for it to be harmonious. Left about 80%. You see with just a few mouse clicks, I have a picture that has changed a lot. And now I'm going to work on this bottom part, it's a bit burnt. Then I will merge the layer and I will choose burn, let me scan this part. To darken this floor. In addition, a very simple and easier way is that I can pull this skirt out. Let this part of the floor reduce it. Then I will create a new layer, I will press M. And I make a selection, and I pull the skirt down, press Command T. Or Control T and press Shift. So now I will have a dress that is bigger. And the space below it has also been covered. Then I can continue to burn the areas that I feel are still quite bright. Then in this photo, you can make the subject bright and outstanding by choosing to add contrast. When I add contrast, I see that my subject is brighter, the subject is brighter. Then here I only interested in the subject, but if the clouds you see are enough, then you will. And if you find it too bright, you can reset brush. I choose the opacity I scan and so I can reduce it to dark. The same is true of the lower part. Below this, I will set the opacity to 100%. Let the bottom part darken. So my goal is just to make subject stand out. You see with this contrast before, after. I find the subject part more prominent. With just a few operations, I was able to adjust the raw image, the colors were not clear. If it's burned, I've reprocessed it into a very clear photo.